Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today is September the 7th. We have made it to day number 134 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. Back here with another video to show you guys how easy it is to earn income with this specific method, guys. So if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1-year challenge where we are promoting one offer on ClickBank. We're using a service called My Lead Gen Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year. And we are in month number 5 of this challenge. All right. So we've made it to day number 134. Let's just jump right into this video so we can get right to it. This right here, guys, is My Lead Gen Secret back office. Now, if you don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads, and that's going to be dependent on how many accounts that you have. All right. So the more accounts that you have, the more leads that you will get. Okay, so you're going to get 200 leads if you have multiple accounts versus if you have one account, then you're only going to have 100 leads. Okay, now once you sign up for multiple accounts, that last account that you have, whether you do 3 or 4, that last account is always going to have 100 leads until someone signs up under your last account. All right. Now, just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Lead Gen Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. And I've earned income with My Lead Gen Secret. I've earned income with ClickBank, and various other networks. Okay. So just wanted to show you guys that, this traffic, it is legit. Now the thing about this traffic, guys, it is cold traffic. Okay. So these people have no idea who you are. They don't know what you're promoting or anything like that. But I can tell you that this traffic, they are more receptive to business opportunity offers. Okay. So these people that are on this list, these are business opportunity leads. So these people are concerned about making money online. Okay. That's what they're concerned with. Okay. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and find offers that are related to making money online and send them to this traffic. Okay. That's the main goal here in this method, guys. Okay. So that's really all we do is we copy and paste over emails and we plug them into the system and we put our affiliate links in the system and we click send. It's just that easy. Okay. So there's going to be two main ways that you're going to make income with My Lead Gen Secrets. Number one is going to be promoting My Lead Gen Secret itself. Okay. So what you could do is literally, this is your back office. You can just go over here to affiliates. Okay. And then you can literally use these emails right here to these pre-written emails. Just click right here to load them up. And you can use these pre-written emails to promote the service. Okay. And you can make money doing that just by sending these emails right here. Okay. And you will earn commission with this company. All right. Now, that's one way to make money with this system. The other way is going to be using a network such as ClickBank or an affiliate network such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Max Bounty. There's tons of different CPA offers that networks that you can use their business opportunities to promote to this traffic because they're related to business making money online. Okay, so the second way is going to be the most popular way. A lot of people, promote this service itself. They promote both. Okay. But a lot of people are, promoting outside, using an outside source because there's more, a wide variety of selection of different offers that you can promote. Okay. So you're going to be able to earn income two ways doing this thing. All right. So the network that we're using for this challenge, like I said in the beginning of this video, is going to be ClickBank. Okay. And ClickBank is why we're using that is because it's easy to get started. Okay. Anybody can go and sign up for an account. Not say anybody over the age of 18 that meets the qualifications will be able to sign up with ClickBank today. Okay. It takes less than 5 minutes to sign up and create your account. And then you can start promoting their business opportunity offers and start making money with ClickBank. All right. Now, ClickBank, they pay out every single week. Okay, so the sales that you get, that you get for within a week, you'll get paid out on every Friday. Okay, so that's how that works with ClickBank. So the My Legion secret, and another thing about ClickBank, and why I like promoting the ClickBank system is because, or the network is because the business opportunities offers that they have pre-written emails. Okay, so there's going to be a couple ways that you can create your email. Okay, and, there's going to be three ways, right? And the first way is to write an email yourself. Okay, if you're good at just writing out an email and making it sound good, you're going to need an affiliate link. So you're going to grab an affiliate link and then plug it into this email. That's one way, is to write your own emails. Number two is going to be to use like an AI service or something like that to create an email, which is very popular. Okay, and number three is to use the pre-written emails that come with the vendor, okay, from the offer that you're promoting, okay. And that's basically kind of what we're doing. We're going to go step number three first by using those free emails, and then we're going to switch to step number two, which is just letting AI repurpose the emails that we're sending out. That way we can come up with different variations of the same email that we're sending out. Okay, you don't want to stretch too far with this. You want to send out the emails with the vendor, and you find the ones that are actually working, okay, the ones that actually make you money, and then you repurpose the ones that are making you money, okay, and you just create different variations of the ones that are making money, and then that's how you just keep making money with the program. All right, super easy to do. Okay, and we'll get into that later. Well, actually, we're going to get into that for month number 6, halfway through this challenge. We're going to get to repurposing the emails. But right now, we're just keeping everything simple. I'm just showing you guys where everything is at, how easy it is to send out an email on the My Legion secrets, and all that good stuff. Okay, so pretty much this is your back office. This is where you're going to be hanging out at. The main tab that you're going to be in is going to be this mailing system. This is where you're going to go and send out all your emails. So you would pretty much come down here and you click on select all. Okay, and you're going to come down here, and then what you're going to do is the offer that you're going to be using, you can pick whichever offer in the business opportunity section in the mileage, not mileage, it's in ClickBank. The offer that we're using is called Social Sales Rep, live chat jobs on ClickBank. If the business opportunity section is one of the top offers, you can promote that offer, that same offer if you want. And then all you would pretty much have to do, okay, well, it just loaded up for me here. All you would pretty much have to do is take the pre-written emails that are here, okay. My internet is just running been a little weird lately, guys, so just bear with me. But let's just do this, right? So the email, all you would have to do is copy it over here. Well, it's ready for me now. So you would just pretty much, these are the emails right here. Okay, so you're just going to go from 1 through 20, and you're going to promote all of these. All you have to do is copy and paste over an email. So let's just take this first email, okay, and we're just going to grab the subject line, Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, and then you're going to take this out. Okay, let's take this out and then Control V. Okay, you come down here to this one right here, Control A, and this is the body of text. Okay, so this is where you're going to put the email. Okay, and you click on perfect timing, so the email goes out at the perfect time when your prospect is in front of their computer or getting ready to open up their email. And then you just grab this body of text, Control C, come over here to the mailing system, and Control V. Right. There's three things that you're going to have to do in this email. Number one is take out signature. Okay, and you want to put in your name or management, whichever one. Number two is you're going to take out this name right here. You want to take that out because what they want you to do, this email is basically telling you to put in your customer's name. Okay, and how you put in your customer's name is you're going to come up here and use this code right here. Okay, Control C, come back here and Control V right next to it, right? So that way, when this email goes out, it's going to say like, "Hi, Jermaine. Hi, hey, John. Hey, whatever your name is," and then it goes into the email. Okay. The third thing that you're going to have to do in this email is going to grab an affiliate link. Okay. Now, the cool thing about these emails is that they come with an affiliate link at the very bottom. So all you have to do is copy these links and put them in your email. Okay. Now, every email is going to have a call to text, call to action sentence at the very bottom, and it's going to be in bold text, right? So they basically are showing you where you make a clickable link at, right? So right here it says complete your application here. So what you want to do is you want to turn this into a clickable link, and I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Okay, so you just come here, you grab this right here, okay, and then you just come here to the link tab and then click on that, Control V, place that link in there, chat for cash, and you want to take out where it says your ClickBank ID. This is where you put in your ClickBank ID. This is very important. That way you get the credit for this email, okay? So let's go ahead and take this out and you just plug in your affiliate ID, okay? Now don't put in mine, but put in yours, all right? So let's go ahead and click on that and then you Control A, and then I like to make this a little bit bigger, either 16 or 18, whichever one you guys choose. And then boom, this email is ready to go out. Okay. So once you do that, you come down here and there's going to be two buttons. One is going to say preview and one is going to say send now. Just go ahead and click on send now. I'm going to click on preview. I'm sorry. And then once you preview the ad, it's going to come up in real time. That way it's going to let you click on this link. Okay. When you're creating it, obviously it's not going to let you click on it, but once you preview it, it's going to let you click on this link and you want to make sure that this link goes to your affiliate page. That way you get the credit for the email. All right. So once you do that, you click on send now. Boom. We just sent out an email in the My Legion secret system. All right, it's super easy to do. Right now, I have 8 different accounts. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out emails. Pretty much, once you get these emails stored, the emails that you want, the same emails that you're going to be using over and over, once you get them stored, they're going to be in this saved email list. Okay, so they're going to be like tons of emails in here that you're going to be able to come in and use. Okay, so they'll all be in your saved list. So pretty much all you would have to do is pick an email and then click on load and then click send. Like, cause it already got it saved in there. So it makes it super quick and super easy. Okay. That's why it only takes me less than 10 minutes to send these emails out because I already got all the emails that I want. I got them saved in there and then I just click on load and then I just click send. Okay. And it makes this process super easy for me. Okay. But starting out, you're going to have to copy and paste these emails over first. You're going to have to do that first. So that's probably going to take you, 10 minutes, if, maybe a little longer just for you to get used to it. But it's fairly easy, guys, fairly quick to do. Okay. Now I did leave a link below this video for you guys to get started. If you come down here where it says right here, this MLGS True Freedom, click on that link. It's going to take you to the landing page of the My Legion secret. That way you can go ahead and get started today. All right. Now go back and watch these previous videos, guys. You can kind of get an idea on what I'm talking about right now. Like I said, my internet's been a little slow. So let's go and go over here to ClickBank. All right. Now clickbank.com is free for you guys to get started. Like I said, you can use these business opportunity offers to start working. Okay. And today is September the 7th. And as you can see, I'm doing a last 30 days on what everything looks like. Okay. So if you can see right here, these are the sales that we've been getting for the last 30 days. Like it's been pretty consistent. Okay. There are some gaps. Okay. Because you're not going to make sales every single day. But for the most part, every day or every other day or every 2 days that you will be earning a sale. Okay. So as of right here, as you can see, it's been a little longer of a gap because I don't know if I told you guys before I was out of town, helping my daughter move into college and stuff like that. So I missed some days here. But then once I got back and I picked up on this method, guys, everything started to, come together for me. Okay. So as you can see, the sales are pretty consistent. I believe a sale is going to come in tomorrow because we got a free trial sale. I believe a couple days ago, so that should be hitting for us tomorrow. So we should be earning income tomorrow as well. Okay, so it's just showing you guys the last 30 days. If you go back and watch these previous videos, I was doing like a daily type of results to show you every day. But the more I got into this challenge, I wanted to show you guys the last 30 days. That way, if you're new to this video, if you're not going back and watching the previous videos, you can at least see the last 30 days on what we're doing. And you can see the results and what's possible for you if you were to get started. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys the results and what it looks like. We are earning income. This is proof that we are earning income with the system. Okay. You get paid, like I said, every single week. You get paid for what you do during the week, and you get paid out every Friday. Okay. I just got paid on last Friday. Okay. With this system. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. You can go ahead and get started today. There is a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then $30 a month just to keep the service. Okay, and it's just a no-brainer on this method, guys, because it's super easy to do. All right. So excuse my internet today. Some of the links that I've been clicking on have not been working for me the way I want. But you get the idea. Just click on this link right here, and it's going to take you to the landing page of the My Lead Gen Secrets. I'm going to show you guys how to get started. There's tons of people that earn income with this method, guys. So I just wanted to show you how easy it is to do this in the system. And then in the results, once you guys start doing this, sometimes it can take you a few weeks to get started to start seeing results. Could take you a week. Okay, it just depends on how many accounts that you have and how hard you hit it whenever you do it. You can send out an email every 24 hours, so you can come in every single day. I send out my emails every night around the same time. And this is when I send my emails out. But you can do it. Some people do it in the mornings, early in the mornings when they wake up, or at night. You don't want to send them like in the mid afternoon. Okay. You want to probably do it either early in the morning, I would say between 5 and 7, or you want to do it late at night, around this time, 10, 11 o'clock. Okay. And then that way, those emails either going out early in the morning before people wake up and their emails are in there, or at late at night. So when they're getting ready to go to bed, people are checking their emails, or when they wake up in the morning, most people are checking their emails early in the morning. Okay. So those emails will be ready for them to look at as soon as they wake up or as soon as they check their emails. Okay. So whichever, works for you. There's no magic pill to take to know which one, works the best. I've done it both ways. I've did mornings and I've done evenings. So it's just the way my schedule is. I got other, opportunities and other stuff that I do online to make money. So this just works for me because it's super quick. Okay. 5, 10 minutes, boom, I'm out. I'm on to something else. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like, show you the results from the past 30 days. As you can see right here in front of you guys, these are the results. We are making money with this program, guys, and we are not going to stop. Okay. We're just going to keep sending emails. We're going to build this income up, okay, until we can get it to a full-time income. All right. I at least want to show you where this gets up, guys, to at least 1,700 to 2 grand a month around that area. That way, you know, not sure where you live, but I'm in the Midwest, so cost of living is not as high. So, 17, 18, 18, 17 to 2 grand, you can probably get you an apartment and pay your bills with 2 grand, right? So I just wanted to show you guys realistically what it would look like for you to have that extra $1,700 or 2 grand a month or more coming in every single month, and how that can help you and change your income circumstances. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. I'm going to come back here tomorrow. I've sent my emails out tonight already. So I'll come back here tomorrow and we'll do the same thing at the same time. All right, guys. Peace.